So today we'll be talking about vaginal steaming. Hey guys, welcome back to Nicky at your Cervix. It's your girl Nicky here, and if you're new here, welcome. Don't forget to hit my subscribe button, turn my post notification bell on so you can get an update every time I have a new release. And follow me on Instagram at Nicky_at_your_cervix for lots more interesting content. So what exactly is this? This is basically known as V-steaming or yoni steaming, and it involves a person sitting or squatting over a hot pot of steaming water containing herbal remedies to enhance and cleanse your internal reproductive organs. But what are the claims about vaginal steaming? Well, it has become a popular holistic treatment despite no scientific evidence to prove its effectiveness. It is said that vaginal steaming offers the following benefits: to detoxify the womb, regulate your monthly bleeding, treating stress, increase your fertility, release symptoms of menopause, decrease fatigue, treatment of hemorrhoids, improve your energy, faster healing after childbirth, and even decrease headaches. So what does science say? Well, science says there's no studies that have shown conclusive evidence regarding the benefit of vaginal steaming, and most OBGYNs recommend against the practice. So guess what? Is it safe to steam your vagina? Well, a key thing to note is that your vagina is sensitive and exposing it to hot heat could be harmful for many reasons. So burning your genital tissues from the hot steam is possible as it is thinner and more sensitive than other body areas. Also, vaginal steaming can change your vaginal pH balance. And there's this misconception to say that you must take an extra step to clean your vagina, such as douching or vaginal steaming, but that is false. A key thing to note is that the vagina is a self-cleaning organ, and your vagina does its own work to maintain a healthy pH balance using natural vaginal discharge. We also have lactobacilli, which is a natural bacteria found in the vagina, which helps to keep the vagina balanced, producing lactic acid and hydrogen peroxide, and this keeps the acidity balanced while protecting you from infections. When you disrupt this balance by steaming and putting hot air up there and herbal remedies up there, you're basically upsetting the natural bacteria produced by the vagina, producing an imbalanced pH. And this now will harm your vagina and can lead to irritation, infections such as vaginitis. So guess what? Vaginal steaming is a big no. And that's it for this video. If you have any question, drop it in the comment section below and tell me what's your experience with vaginal steaming. Until next time, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to Nicky at your Cervix on YouTube. Bye!